So what is up YouTube? Welcome to the another episode of Your Tech Consumer. So today I will be basically giving a short review of OnePlus 7 you should buy or you should consider buying it or not. So here's the quick spec list of it. It has a Snapdragon 855 chipset, up to 8 GB of RAM, 48 megapixel camera, dual camera, ultra short, dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos and in-display fingerprint sensor. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I will be talking about the pros of the OnePlus 7, and another pros and cons video will be coming therefore tomorrow or later, I think so. So first let's talk about the chipset itself. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset that gives the power to do more, rebuilt from the ground up using 7nm fabrication process technology. That's technology on a mobile platform that raises the bar for mobile power. The chipset you are getting on the OnePlus 7, you can enjoy better gaming, sharper photos and amazing battery life with this chipset itself. Remind you that it's the chipset Snapdragon 855 device. It is the cheapest Snapdragon 855 device in the market till date. Price I will reveal at the end of the video, so watch the video till the end. So next we are going to be talking about the RAM management. Your RAM works for you, as said by the OnePlus itself. I quote, the OnePlus 7 intelligently adapts to your individual use with a feature named RAM Boost that has been newly included by OnePlus in OnePlus 7, though it is present in OnePlus 7 Pro itself. So which is present in this device. The apps you use most are preloaded in the background and are given an extra boost to speed up your RAM and startup times, and make sure that the startup times are quick and always the RAM is ready for you to use. So next, let's get on to the storage department. In this device, you are getting a whopping of 256 gigabytes of storage, coupled with a tech named called the UFS 3.0 support, which what it does actually is whether you are transferring a movie to your phone or sending holiday photos to your laptop, the transferring of the files will be quick and easy. And you do not have to worry about running out of space. So next, let's move on to the another department, that is the gaming department, the GPU department. Gaming experience. Talking about the gaming experience with the Snapdragon 855 mobile platform, up to 8 GB of RAM, UFS 3.0 support, and dual stereo speakers, upgraded vibration engine, and new fanatic mode that has been given to cool down your device during heavy gaming or heavy usage of the device itself. The OnePlus 7 offers a powerful and immersive gaming experience, I would say. Let's talk about the in-display fingerprint sensor, or the optical fingerprint sensor, which has been now it's a 7th generation optical fingerprint sensor you are seeing in this device itself. It's a very fast, simply touch the screen of your OnePlus 7 to unlock it with an even larger optical sensor and an additional lens. Screen unlock helps you unlock your OnePlus 7 quicker and more safely than ever. Now let's talk about the camera department itself, that comes after the in-display fingerprint sensor. In the camera department, it has a 48 megapixel dual camera. Crisp colors and stunning detail make the OnePlus 7's 48 megapixel camera an essential companion for an mobile platform or mobile photographer, as you can say. While OIS offers smooth and steady shot as well. OIS meaning that optical image stabilization. It has got a 48 megapixel back camera with f1.7 aperture, large aperture, so lot of light it can absorb. Get OIS and ultra short is also available in the secondary camera itself. So now let's talk about the portrait mode in this device. Clear faces shoot portraits with enhanced accuracy and precision. The OnePlus 7's updated portrait mode ensures facial features and beautifully detailed for a refined and clear final photo. It gets a 16 megapixel front camera and an and HDR technology as well in front camera. That's a very good thing, I would say. It has a new mode in it called as the Nightscape 2.0, light up the night, as said by the OnePlus, I quote. Take a look at some photos here of the Nightscape mode. Nightscape 2.0 helps you capture the beauty of night with stunning clarity. Let's quickly move to the second last point of this device itself. That's the battery department power. A 3700 milliamp hour battery with watt charge mean you are always ready to go. Fast charge stays cool even when you are using your phone, but you should not play games that puts a lot of pressure on your battery itself, so you should keep in mind that. So next point, that there is the last but not the least, comes the design and the craftsmanship of this device. That feels a very premium and comfortable to hold. It is not a very big device to hold, but it's very comfortable in the hand. You can reach out your thumb to the other end of the device itself very easily. So that's all in the video, guys. I will be ending the video now, and if you didn't hit the like button, please do hit the end up liking this video if you liked the video. So please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So if you are first in this channel and watching my video first, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like it. So that's all in the video, guys. Peace.